I'm Dingle Dee, and in my last video, I revealed my new Astro camper project. And in today's video, I'm going to be ripping that thing down to bare metal. And I did not think it was going to be this rough. Shoot! Oh! Here's a quick walk around of the starting point on this Aerolite. The suspension is completely bottomed out, which gives a stylish slammed look. Let's start with removing the rear bumper goodies. There we go. Yeah, this is it. And onto the inside. Sit back and relax because it's demolition time. The negotiator. Oh, fucking thing. Oh man, that weighs a lot. As I make additional progress on tearing the RV apart, the fact of this project being in worse condition than anticipated is solidified. That is nasty. Just jumped right in. Welcome back, mister. Oh, that smells wretched. Even the structural ribs are almost completely deteriorated. Looks like I'll just cut the supports off and start from scratch. I will fabricate and weld in new supports during our next video. Having a solid foundation for this foamy build is very important. The Aerolite's frame was stretched during the original conversion by the RV company establishment. The unibody was cut off and removed from behind the cab to the rear, leaving only the lowermost unibody frame rails remaining. Then, thick structural tubing was welded into the frame rails, extending it dramatically and increasing its overall strength. If you're interested in my content and want to support me and my channel further, head over to my Patreon page and become a paid Patreon supporter. Shout out to Bob for being a paid Patreon supporter. Thanks, Bob. And be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video where we start the actual build of this thing. And I talk more about what an Astro camper can look like. And I use a really unique building method, like a foamy camper. A lot of people make teardrop campers out of them, but I'm making a gigantic box truck out of this thing. It's gonna be sick. Stay tuned.